In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT5 in Pocket Option, step-by-step tutorial. This walkthrough is for educational purposes only. Trading carries risk, so practice first and never trade money you can't afford to lose. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Pocket Option website. Use a trusted link or type the address carefully so you're on the legitimate platform. Once you're on the site, log into your account securely. If you use extra security like two-factor authentication, make sure it's enabled to keep your account safe. Before you place any trades, check that your account has funds available. You'll see your balance on the platform. If you're just learning, it's perfectly fine to use a demo balance so you can practice without risking real money. From the main dashboard, click on Trading to open the trading workspace. Here you'll find different products. Choose Forex MT5. If you intend to trade live, confirm you're on a real account. For this tutorial, we'll use the demo environment so you can follow along risk-free. Next, pick a currency pair to trade. Popular pairs like EUR/USD, GBP/USD, or USD/JPY are often a good starting point for learners because they tend to have tighter spreads and plenty of market data. Select the pair that matches your plan and liquidity preference. Now it's time to analyze the market. Look at the chart and choose a time frame that suits your strategy. Shorter time frames for quick moves, longer ones for broader trends. Switch to candlestick view if it helps you read price action. You can add common indicators like moving averages or RSI and draw support and resistance levels to build a clear idea of where price might react. Take a moment here. Good analysis is what sets up a good trade. When you're ready, place your trade. Click buy if you expect price to rise or sell if you expect price to fall. Before confirming, set your position size carefully and define a stop loss to cap your risk, along with a take profit to lock in your target. This maintains discipline and removes guesswork once the trade is running. After your order is placed, monitor the trade in real time. Watch the open positions panel to see your entry price, current profit or loss, and how close you are to your stop loss or take profit. If the market changes, you can adjust your SL or TP to manage risk and protect gains. You can close the trade manually at any time by hitting the close button, or let it close automatically when it reaches your predefined stop loss or take profit. That's all there is to it. Simple, structured, and focused on safety.